Stop. Alfie, layup. No, miss. Eric Santos. Ooh, crossover jump shot. Another miss.
Kuya ko yun eh. Ano ba magagawa nyo? Uy, dapat kasi ako dyan sa gitna eh. Hindi kuha yung ano, kuya.
Here we go.
Kuya.
2-0. Jugana.
Hindi kuha yung ring.
Miss.
Hindi kuha yung ring yata, mababa. Okay na yan.
Hindi kita ring?
Ay, hindi. Ito pala dito. Oo nga no. Rendo.
Avalos for 3. Woo! The face of the franchise of Team Gilas is here.
Oy, yung camera.
5-0 now.
Ako eh.
Adrian, Tidra, yes, in.
Palakpak ka naman. Okay na. Oy, hindi kayo naiyak sa commissioner, siya pa yung gumagawa.
Miss. Oh, Miguel. Easy to by Mr. Miguel.
Sino mo pag okay na.
Ryan. Sakuragi. Jugana for 3. Miss. Foul.
No, it's a big.
Right.
The big. The big.
Thank you.
Hi.
Woo! Jason.
Beth, yung nalaro?
Bawal ito. Artista yun ah. Criminal kasi apat sila. Kung tatlo lang sila pwede.
Oo.
Please, babies.
Baby niya. Ano, Aldrin.
Jugana for 3. Give it up for all 3 Juganas.
Nakashoot siya gabi, hindi ko pumalakpak.
Oh, so I Venmoed you the rest.
Okay.
10-5.
What was it?
Alpi, what a spin move. Miguel to recover. Another one. Oh, he passed it. Bison. Lee, power move, power rebound, power shot. Here we go. The superstar, Mr. Lee Hamilton.
Si Kuya.
Oh, yung ano
This is
naman?
cool, yeah, it's cool.
Ay, sorry, nakalimutan ko.
Eric, no good. Alpi. Alpi, ooh, what a pass. Another one for Lee, foul. Foul on 3 Juganas.
Yeah, yun na, yung Lee. Ayan, yan, yan.
Woo! What a easy through by Lee. Where's my Tapioca Express?
Kalaban yung ano niya. Kinalaban.
Super talaga, malupet, malupet, malupet. Malupet. Ba't pinusuan eh? Pinusuan ko. So good. Brandon to Ryan. To Ryan. Oh, Brandon. Oh. Okay. Brandon. One pass. Jump shot, another miss. 14-5, 6 minutes remaining in our first.
14. White.
Foul, Mr. Avalos. First personal foul. Ooh, what a... Eric Santos. Foul. 2 shots.
Can we get?
Where's Daddy? Daddy. Daddy.
There we go. Give it up for yeah, New Year.
3-0.
Through foul number 2-0. Early sentence. Personal foul. Substitution.
Ka nga dyan.
There you go.
Kakararin ko na. Galing. Ano na score?
Another one. Oh my God. He's on fire. Mr. Jason with 9 points. Early X factor. Juganas. Turnover. Alfie. Ooh, miss. Daniel. Number 8. Adrian for 3, no good. Rebound by the pace.
Oo, wala na sa akala ko kakaririn mo.
Miguel, pull up. Miss. Rebound by Daniel. Jump shot for 3, yes sir.
Warm up yan.
17-9. 8-point lead now. Ooh, what a pass. Oh, steal by Alvin. 2-on-1. Ooh, what a kick by Mr. Alfie. Save. Purple ball. Juganas for 3. Rebound by Miguel. What a slow start by these two teams. Team Gilas and Team Trackers. They're the first two sets of the champion. Gilas ball.
Pinakaya mo dyan, Steph. Nadede ko nga.
Lead with a power move down low. 19-9, 10-point lead, 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining.
Binibilaan niya ako eh. Niyala ko yung design na nakakita ko.
Brandon. Woo! 19-12. Here we go. Anya, layup. Ooh! Late call foul by Mr. T. Good call. First foul. Number 14, Mr. Abalos. Second personal foul. And 13 foul.
Tara mo nga score.
1 minute and 30 seconds remaining.
Enzo.
Easy point by Mr. Daniel.
Enzo. Enzo. Antok siya.
Another shot, another miss.
I-imagine na niya, sinisip-sip niya na. Sinalabas yung bila niya. Tapos nga
Ooh! Jason to Miguel. To Alfie. Power move. Power score! Oh my God, put that on the highlight reel, Mr. AB. I think I'm gonna give him a nickname right now. Ooh. Easy too. 15-21. 15 seconds remaining. Woo! Another 3 by the team. Gilas. 24-14. Another three. Oh!
Daddy there.
You don't touch her.
Ryan,
Tangina mo na.
aka Sakurani, layup Yaishin. Oh, here you go.
Here, you touch her mom.
Foul 30. Avalos, no good. Rebound by Ryan.
Dede. Uy, labas mo na yun.
Juganas. Aldrin. Ryan. The captain. Oh, steal by Alfie. Oh, what a miss by Alfie. By San. Alfie. Here we go. Anyel. Ooh, what a pass. Easy 2 by Mr. Sakuragi. 24-18, 6-1 lead now. Miguel after, ooh, what a miss by Miguel. Anyel, here we go, 2-on-2 situation. Anyel, layup, yes, go. What are we? Miguel, EC2. 26-20 now. 8 minutes and 10 seconds remaining in our second quarter. Eric Santos.
Martes na no, Eric Santos.
Foul number 14.
Jason Avalos.
Third personal foul. The face of the franchise. Juganas for 3. Yes, sir. Easy 3 points by Mr. Aldrin. 26-23 now. Alfie. Ooh, almost steal. Paisan for 3. Yes, sir! 3 point by Mr. Paisan. Mr. Hard to get. Steal by Lee. To Paisan again. He's hot. 4-on-1. Avalos. Noko, Paisan with a rebound, yes sir, I told you, he's hot. 31-23, 8-point lead again. Ooh, double Bruno violation. Jason, the Bulldog. Used to be a Bulldog, but now he's Gilas again. Miguel. Ooh, Paisan on the spot. He missed. Rebound by Ryan. Eight-point lead. Here we go. Aldrin. Eric Santos. Pull up, no good. Rebound by Avalos. Whoa, what was that, Mr. Fat? Did you see that, Mr. Fat? That was great, I like that. 33-23, 5 minutes and 55 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Alfie again, adding his high, will he do it again, let's see. Ooh, what a bad pass now. Foul. Miguel Latorreno, number 1. 15 foul. Second personal foul. Aldrin to Eric. 3-point. Miss. Alfie another rebound. Ooh, what a steal by Mr. Brandon.
Medila na naman.
Aldrin. No basket. Rebound by Miguel. Slow it down.
Gago.
Abalos. Paisan. Woo! What a jump shot by Mr. Paisan. Easy too.
Kulit ng game na to, walang sub.
Too basic. 35-23. What a game. This is a game, you know. There's no substitution, only timeout. And Ryan, just make that shot. Oh, I thought he made it. Here we go. Alfie, side step, no good. Rebound by Ryan. Eric Santos, 35-23, 12 by Team Gilas. Eric Santos to Aldrin, pop. He popped it, right? He popped the cherry. 26-35. 9-point lead now. Alfie, number 31. To the face, to the three. What an air ball. Number 8. And yeah. Ooh, what a crossover. Oh, he missed. Rebound by Miguel Latorreno. Alfie, slowing down the base. Here we go. Out of bounds, Soccer's ball. Here we go, Aldrin. To the right, to Ryan. Ooh, he lost his rhythm. Pull up, no good. Another miss by Mr. Santos. Timeout by Miguel.
Back to the
Okay. Second quarter, 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Mr. Jason Avalos with 9 points. Miguel, what Miguel do? Miguel, layup, yes sir, easy 2 by Mr. Miguel, 37-26. What a game. Mr. Brandon, Raniel. Aniel. Oh, again by Mr. Aniel, the Miracle 5 last season. Alfie. Oh, pass to Jason. Hesitated. He missed it. I knew it. Lee by Lee. Easy 2 by Mr. Lee, 39-26. The Team Gilas are really doing great this season. Aldrin. Put that on the camera, Lenny. He didn't take it. Come on, Lenny. 39-29 in favor of Team Gilas. 14 to Paisan. Tipped by Aniel. Miguel, 3 points, in and out, no good.
Saan ka ba talaga, Lenny?
The slasher. Oh my god, this is good by Mr. Yeah, 39-31. Oh, 64.
Mas-score na sa akin. Ginagawa niyo sa bata.
They're winning by 8 points. 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining in our second quarter. Lee, no good. Rebound by Aniel. Ryan, Sakuragi, no miss. Paisan, here we go. Paisan. To Lee, power move, no good. Again, rebound by Aniel. Juganas for 3, no good. Rebound by the face. Lee, no good. They're getting tired. Everyone's slowing down. The bullet with the layup. Another miss with the bullet. Oh my G. Miguel, he's the last man standing. Paisan, Mr. Hart to get rebound by Lee. Another miss. What's going on? Let's go. Another miss. Rebound by Juganas. Eric Santos. Eric Santos. No good. 2, 1. Here we go, Alfie. Ooh. Rebound by Anyo. The bullet. Out of bounds. Shotter's ball. There we go, the bullet. Dribbling the ball. Juganas. No good by Mr. Adrian Juganas. We just want to say, Miguel, he has 11 rebounds on this game already. Paisan to Abalos, to Alfie. Here we go, Alfie. Alfie, what a move by Alfie, but he passed. Paisan, the Mr. Hard to get with an easy jump shot. Oh my G.
Hard to get.
What the? Brandon, he's gonna make it. No good. Woo, biggest no good. Here we go. Adrian to grab Mercer.
May dirty no.
Ooh, what a move and one opportunity by Mr. Miguel Latorre. 23-21.
Saan ba?
Who's foul rep?
May fountain sa labas?
30.
Sa labas may fountain?
Second personal foul.
It's dirty.
First foul.
Sa gitna ka ba?
Rebound by the bullet. Ooh, what a crossover. Jump shot. 2 points. 34-43, only 9-point lead. Alfie slowing down the pace. Here we go. Ryan, 3-on-1. What will Ryan do? And yeah, the bullet, no good. Rebound by the bullet again. Ooh, what a block by Lee. What a block by Lee. All the way, look at that. Alfie! Gilas ball.
Block.
Miguel? He passed in the face of the bullet. I mean, I'm sorry. What a pass by Mr. Miguel. Is that meant for Mr. Abalos or from Miguel? Oh. Ooh, cross over. Run it, 2-on-2 situation. Ryan! Foul! What a nice day call by Mr. Ryan. Abalos. 4 personal foul.
Four foul.
Ryan?
Four foul na dyan.
45-35.
Si Jason. Uy, ito. Ayaw niya na. Nagsasabi na yung dalawa.
Here we go. 9-point lead again. Alfie, the Muro Ati. Ooh, sealed by Eric Santos. 3-on-1. Attack. And what a nice move. 38-45 in favor of Team Gilas.
Tol na kayo. Hindi gaga.
Out with the second personal foul. Ooh, what are we gonna lead? Alfie, another miss. Rebound by Aldrin. Ryan, 1-on-1. Jump shot, short. Rebound by the face. Miguel, 3-on-1.
Ako mag-post ko.
Ooh,
Picture sa dito kanina.
Miguel. Oh my, he's really tall. 49-38. Back to 11-point lead. To Aldrin, 3 points. Will it make a difference? No, rebound by Aldrin. Miguel. Another move by Miguel. 51-38. 4 minutes remaining in our third quarter. The bullet. Move that bullet.
1 point sa inyo.
Do it for the Shockers. Ryan, 3 points. Ooh, backdoor by the Ryan Sakuragi. 10-point lead. Back to 10-point lead. What a game. No substitution, only timeout. Players are tired, but they're really fighting for it. 1-on-1, Eric Santos. Oh, triple T. To the face for 3. No good. Rebound by the bullet. Here we go. 4-on-4 situation. Bullet, jump shot 3. Another miss. Alfie will rebound. 2-on-1. No good. Paisan. Another miss. Rebound by Eric Santos. Oh, what a pass. Sakuragi for EC2. 8-point lead now. The Shockers are coming back. They have the momentum again.
Ya bubu. Ya bubu.
Lee, oh miss.
Tidak to si bubu.
Here we go. Andre, jump shot. Woo! 51-46. Timeout. Yes. Miguel. Miguel.
Isang kasa hindi na niya.
Alfie. Miguel, oh, what a fell away, but he didn't make it. Here we go, Adri. Adri, another miss by Adri. Alfie, hitting the ball. Oh, what a nice play, but another miss again. Look, here we go, Eric Santos. Eric Santos, and run by Mr. Eric Santos. 51-48, only 3-point lead now. First personal foul by Mr. Lee, the Kuya. Big brother.
No.
Ooh, that was the first time I've seen this on this league.
May bambay kuya.
Ooh, what a silver foul!
Wala yun.
Foul number 10. Sakuragi. Second personal foul, 14 foul on the second half.
Bakit? Gusto namin baka?
My son, Jason Avalos. Oh, I like your shoes. Under Armour Curry. Sponsored by Under Armour. Oh, what a steal by Aldrin. Here we go. He pick up right away. 3-on-3. Eric. Aldrin jogada. Ah! another miss. 51-48. 30 seconds remaining in our third quarter. Alfie, Paisan for 3. Hard to get, no good. Here you go, the bullet. Woo! The ball game is tied. 10 seconds remaining. Wow, this is going to be exciting for the last quarter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! 11 points for Mr. Ryan. Ryan for 3. Short. Rebound by Brandon. Brandon. Airball. Foul the bullet. Foul the bullet. First personal foul. 14 foul by the Team Shockers now. Tyson, Abalos, Lee. Here we go. Lee driving in. Lee, power move. Oh my God! What a power move by Mr. Lee, number 10 of Team Gilas. The bullet. Oh, what a tip! Joganas for 3. Woo! Change favor now. 54-53. With the Gilas stroke. Here we go. Aldrin going double team. Ooh, no foul. This is still the bullet. Aldrin, another 3. No good. Rebound by Alfie. 8 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Ooh. The bullet. Here we go. 3 on 2. Attack. Calling Aldrin. 1-2. 56-53 now. What's going on? 3-point lead by the Team Shockers. When you blink, you lose. Paisan to Miguel. Miguel. Oh, another miss. Mr. Paisan is walking down. Brandon, the playmaker. Another miss by Brandon. Abalos for 3. No good. Rebound by the bullet. Bullet running. Foul. Foul number 10, Mr. Lee. Second personal foul. 13 foul. 2 shots.
Ginagawa ko sa bata. Tumitirik na yung mata niya.
Daddy!
Pwede.
Oh shit, my phone. Is my phone?
That's mine.
Your mom's phone.
The bullet. Oh, another miss. What a top miss by the bullet. Miguel, here we go. 7 minutes remaining. Last quarter. Who will die for? Lee. He showed that on the spot. Lee with the answer. Pinusuan na tol. Bullet with the answer. No good. Rebound by Miguel. Alfie. The point guard. Alfie. Ooh. Abalos standing there. Another miss. Parang naman tayo dyan to the face. Eric Santos. Eric Santos. Another miss by Eric Santos. Ooh. Miguel and 1. Foul and yell. The bullet. Second personal foul. 15 foul with our Team Shockers.
Dada. Dada. Dada.
Daddy? Go to Daddy.
Eric. Oh, Brandon for 3. Oh, almost there. Juganas, yes sir. Wow. 59-58. Another 3 points by Mr. Ardri. Juganas. Miss.
Ito gusto natin.
Eric for 3 with the answer. 62-58, 4-point lead. Alfie.
10. Number 10.
Foul number 10, Sakura Rugby. Third personal foul, 16 foul by the Team Shockers. One more foul would be a 1-on-1 situation. Jason. With the behind the look pass. Behind the look. Catch, I'm sorry. Here we go. Alfie. Ooh, what a steal again by Eric Santos. 3-on-1.
10.
Timeout, Team Gilas. One, two, three. Here we go. 65-58. Wow. The Shockers shot the Gilas in the last quarter. Lee with a 3-point move. The bullet's snapping. Here we go. Ryan. It's good. Miguel. San Miguel. Dribbling. Layup. Easy scoop by Miguel. He's fighting for it. 65-60. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. There's still a lot of chance. There's a lot of time. The ball is round. You never know.
Ganun
Here
lang.
we go. Don't give up.
Bala kasi yung manoon. Pwede na maging
Eric.
Pwede na maging lalo.
Another rebound by Miguel. Here we go. The Gilas. Here we go. 4-2. Ooh, what a steal by the bullet in the back. Ryan, EC2. Oh! Oh my God, they're giving them a chance to win. Here we go. Alfie to Miguel. Power move. Another miss. Watson. Ryan, Adrian. Yes, sir. 67-60 now.
May dila eh. Hindi pa din.
Avalos. Oh, what a bad pass by Mr. Avalos. Oh, good move by Audrey. 69-60. Oh, they got really tired.
Eh, gusto niya daw.
I think this is one of the biggest problems here, you know, in that information after the players get really tired, and then, you know, at the end of the quarter, it's, you know, whoever fights, you know, the best, here we go. No good. Woo! This is two. Last 2 minutes by Philippine Nation Basketball, 69-62. It's just 7-point lead. Come on. Man up.
Magpit ko.
The bullet.
Hindi. Gaga.
Ooh, no good. Alfie, easy layup. Sixty-nine, 64, 1 minute remaining. No good. Rebound by Brandon. 58 seconds. Another miss. Here we go. What's going to happen here? Lead.
Uy, yung camera!
And one.
Dinakita.
69-66.
Kuya mo ba naman?
Ay, puta, na-risk ko yung kay Al kanini. Yung 3 points.
Mura ako.
69-66. One possession. Miss. Rebound. Rebound by Alfie. Alfie. Who's ball? Give us the ball.
Gandang laro ah.
Lead. What will lead you? Oh, another lead. Lead. Oh, yes. Foul. Foul. 69-60.
Let him out. Tip out.
Warning!
15 foul.
6. Let's go.
Alright. 71-66. Last seconds, 24 seconds remaining.
Ready.
Here we go. Stop again.
3.
Avalos for 3. Foul! What a nice call by Mr. Referee, who saw that in action.
3.
Foul number 3-0. What a top call right there. What a nice acting by Mr. Avalos. The face. Shot. Ooh! He's
Ano siya?
Pinatalo niya. Here we go. Another one! What a good foul by Mr. Eric then. Another one. Another miss. The bullet with the rebound. Foul. 16.6 seconds remaining. Wow. Foul. Something up.
Tapos na.
Decent but winning. Why don't you? One. Even. 7-66 point lead. We have the last discussion here after the free throw. Miss. Paisan. Ooh. 7-68. Here we go. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's over.
It's over. What a great game, what a sportsmanship by the team Gilas.